Hi, we are back at the dentist and hari ni Aisyah bagi tahu lah, Aisyah bagi tahu. Aisyah kena buat apa ni? Ha? Kena buat apa? Kena cabut gigi satu. Kat gigi dia tumbuh kat belakang pula. Tengok mana gigi yang tu yang kena cabut. Okay, so insya-Allah doakanlah yang baik-baik untuk Aisyah ya. Nervous ke Aisyah? Semua kata good luck Tio. Cik, kena kawan-kawan dulu kena bagi tahu.
Update
Okay, insya-Allah You're strong, brave girl. The numbness.
Numbing gel.
Numbing gel dulu lah. Injection lagi tak rasa apa. Aisyah brave lah. Hebat lah Aisyah. Dan of course, pilihan Aisyah untuk nak tengok F1. Mana memang gila F1 Aisyah. Hui, ni betul-betul ya. Tak jadi race car driver tak tahu cakap apa lah.
Kita pun kena belajar kat ni.
If you rasa, you just tahan sikit and then macam tu je ke? Sikit je.
Nothing, okay? Brave girl, okay?
Let's do this. Deep breath. There you go. Peaceful. Now it's not painful at all, right? Is it painful?
No, right?
No, right? You don't feel anything. Very good. See, halfway gone already. Look at that. Good.
Okay, sakit ke Aisyah? Tak kan? Dan especially now lah. Dah jadi 6 tak rasa apa kan? I told you. Dia cuma perasaan je.
It's a feel.
Apa dia? Your nose is big. Mana? Numb from where to where? Oh, that is numb. Okay, good. There we go. Aisyah buat sekali ke?
Sakit tak?
Tak rasa sakit pun.
Kan? See, you can feel kan? You can feel.
So that's all it. And then dia cabut. Keluar.
Turn it around. You want to try to pull it? You want to pull it? Pull. Yeah, move it. You move but it's not painful, right?
Tada!
Oh, you did it. You're a dentist.
Wah, dah tercabut. So how Aisyah? Is it as scary or is it all in your mind? Tak ada benda pun. Tahniah Aisyah. Alhamdulillah. Apa gelak-gelak? Cik, lepas ni nak makan apa? Ais krim. Amboi. Alhamdulillah. Masya Allah, Aisyah is so brave. I'm so glad dia rasa pengalaman ni because saya kecil-kecil pun. Saya kata saya suka pergi dentist. Dan you all pun tak patut takut pergi dentist. Please guys, pergi dentist. Enjoy the dentist. Tak sakit pun. Alah, benda kecil je. Aisyah pun berani. So please guys, apa yang ada fobia ke, pernah ada pengalaman yang ni sikit tu, alah, benda kecil je. Seriously, the dentist, I don't know lah. Saya pernah cabut gigi kat, 2-3 gigi pernah cabut masa nak pakai braces. So, I think it's, alah, benda kecil je. Just for me lah. But Aisyah, Alhamdulillah, I'm so glad that she is brave and she did it also. Alhamdulillah. What's this? Careful. Apa dia tu? Oh, your gigi. Saya bagi macam tu. Smart lah. That is nice. So next is the ice cream stop. It just looks like you got a gigi cabut lah. It's okay. At your age, that is normal. Apa ni? The Tooth Fairy. Baru cabut gigi dah Tooth Fairy bagi duit dah. Untunglah.
So nanti I nak terjah pergi makan aiskrim kat mana
Yeah. Heading now to Tutti Frutti. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Okay, so ini prize dia. Tahniah Aisyah. Anything you want to say?
Nak cakap kat orang luar tu, jangan takut pergi dentist.
Jangan takut. Pergi dentist, jangan takut cabut
Gigi.
Nyam. Say bye.